in my part 3.
Feel free.
Yeah. Anyway, this is good. I'm getting plenty of footage today. Anyway, guys, we're back at the Romba model. Ooh, Romba model rally. Parking there, whole field. Yeah, advertising.
Oh, straight one. How's the time going? Alright. I crashed on time. How many?
Who is that one?
That's good, isn't it? Yeah.
Oh, here comes Thomas with Annie and Clarabelle.
Yes, I'm going to get mine next after all these years.
Oh, and round comes Percy.
My daughter stopped by being.
Oh,
She's 50.
he's stolen, but he's making it through.
I've moved out so many times. Thanks. Well, my schoolboy hobby was my schoolboy ambition was to be a train driver, and I did. And I moved out 5 times to stay in the job.
Well, I think I see now I see why. Oh, he went through it. Fat controller at both stations as well. And then you got a little small loco on the inside line. A Bachmann loco. Oh! We've had a coach. Lucky I spotted that. We've had an uncut. There you go. Fix that for you. That could have been nasty though. You just coupled that with the front wrong end. That's the trouble. A lot of them ones, the coaches the plastic things are terrible, the cut lanes, because they tend to come off the like spigots. Oh, that one stopped. Oh, but it's meant to stop there. Oh yeah, it's automatic. Ah, well. It'll start again once it's... Yeah, I've just slowed down that one a bit because I think that was going too fast, that Thomas. But it's a nice engine though. I see you've got one Bachmann one and the rest are homey. That's not bad though, considering... That's not bad for a budget, right? They still look just as good as the Bachmann ones.
Oh, there's another load of trains over there with Alan. We normally put on there.
But anyway, you got some good scenic sections, so this will make great. Anyway guys, I think that's going to be where I'm going to end this part 3 of this model train thing. Just because it's a bit repetitive, but yeah, we got the trains working, fixed the trains and everything. We've had 2 derailments today and uncouplings. But that's down to the couplings coming hooks. Holmby needs to work on their railroad tooling more, methinks. Anyway, that's going to be part 3.